Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to do mandala art using acrylic color pens. Before beginning today's class, I just want to say thank you to each one of you who has supported me so far. This mandala art series is going very well and I never expected this much outcome from it. Thank you so much for each one of you for supporting, and I am so eager to do more mandala art classes on different art mediums in my upcoming classes. Without any further delay, we will start learning how to do mandala art using acrylic color pens. As usual, first thing is to see what all materials required for today's class. Today I am using black color sketchbook, preferably 200 GSM paper, then acrylic color markers. This one I bought it from Temu website, which is available here in Qatar. You can purchase similar acrylic pens from Amazon as well. These are double-sided markers. At one side it has dot tip and the other side has fine liners. Next thing is most important for mandala art, that is compass. Today I am using Dom's geometry box. In that I am taking only compass today. Today I am going to use 360-degree protractor. If you do not have it, you can take the 180-degree protractor itself from the geometry box. I believe all these basic steps which we have learned in each classes previously from class 1 to class 4 has been well versed for you and you are already become a pro in this. Once we have taken all the materials, let's begin to do the mandala art. The first step as usual is to find the center of the page where we have to draw the mandala. Then place the protractor at the center of the page. Then mark the grids at each 10-degree angles. Once the points are marked, using ruler and pencil, we have to draw the line grids as I am showing in the video. Once the line grids are done, we will begin doing the circle grids. If you are still not comfortable doing the circle grids as I am showing in the video without any reference, you can still mark at each 5 cm or 10 cm from the center of the circle, then draw the circle grids. Today I am going to use multiple colors for this acrylic color mandala art, but for the first two circles I am going to use these two colors. The size of the marker is very big and it will not fit into the compost, so that is why I am just drawing the circle manually with the help of the circle grids which we have drawn in the pencil. Just as usual, in the inner circle we are just shading it using yellow and blue. Again, the next step will be a ulta U. Today all the patterns will be easy if you follow the steps which I am showing. For the next circle, I am drawing a petal here and filling it with yellow shading. If you are confused and if you are doing this acrylic mandala for the first time, I would always suggest to start it from two colors, whichever colors you like, because that will help you to stop thinking and getting confused by which color to use and which color combinations to use. For each layer of the circle, we can use multiple colors as I am doing in this layer of this mandala art. Here I am going to do the outline in purple color and fill it using cream color. You can follow the same technique for all the circles as well. That will look magnificent. Don't even think for a moment that this is too much difficult for you to draw. If you follow my steps thoroughly, you will be able to draw better than this. As I have said you many times in my earlier classes as well, we are going to use basic patterns only, but the way we are going to use it makes a difference on each mandala art. All our previous class mandalas and this mandala will also be a great example for this, because see here in this video almost 80% we are using only petal patterns as a filling, as an outline of the mandala art, but the fillings inside is making a huge difference. And even the fillings inside are very basic, and if you follow each filling or each pattern step by step which I am showing in the video, it will not be difficult for you to draw. I hope you remember the points which I said you in my previous class, which was doing mandala art using watercolor pattern. What we did in that video, we used vibrant watercolors as the background. Since we had used watercolors, like most colorful colors, as a background, we didn't shade it up, correct? Instead, we just gave a filling or a pattern which will showcase the color and even the mandala art. But since this is black color background, we can give colorful shading because we are using acrylic colors markers today. So far we have almost completed half of the mandala art, and please follow my steps thoroughly so that you can draw beautiful mandala art using acrylic color pens. I hope you guys are enjoying my video, and if you guys need any specific art forms, like I have to do mandala art on specific art forms other than like what we have covered already using watercolors and acrylic marker pens, please do let me know in the comment sections. Your suggestions really matter to me. I hope you guys have already noticed in all my mandala arts that I am not copying the patterns from other mandala artists or from any other book. When I do mandala art and start do the fillings, I do it on my own, whichever comes into my mind at that time. So I also insist you all to do the same, because that builds our creativity and makes us and our mandala unique from others. See, whenever we are doing something symmetrical, the pattern arises. There is no such book or rule that you have to do the mandala filling only as it is mentioned in the book. Okay. One more tip I can suggest you is keep a rough notebook, and whenever you get time, you just practice one mandala filling. That's all. Draw a leaf pattern or a ulta U pattern, a bigger one, and just do fillings whichever you like, whatever it is. Unless and until it is symmetrical, your mandala art looks beautiful. As a beginner, I would also suggest you to just maintain one rough book or a mandala filling book on your own, so that whenever you get or you create some new pattern, you just record it in that notebook. And when you start doing mandala art, you can just refer to that mandala art filling book and do on your own, so that your mandala will be unique and you will also look unique from others. Since you guys are getting introduced to mandala art now, you can imitate the patterns which other mandala artists and I am using it, but gradually you can also create your own mandala patterns. I hope by now you guys have learned how to do mandala art using acrylic color pens, and if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do share it with your friends as well, because sharing is caring. And mainly not to forget that it is a beautiful art therapy for our stress relieving in this busy environment. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.